Hello there, welcome to Construction Days channel. Today, we are going to show you behind the scenes of column shaft construction at quality building construction site. Quality column form work and concrete at building construction site. After plinth beams, starting reinforcement bars, often made of steel, are strategically placed inside the formwork. These bars enhance the column's strength and ability to withstand structural load. Start preparing column box using plywood sheets. Need experienced skilled labor, do it. Formwork assembly. Construction workers assembling wooden formwork around the marked column area. This is Thiker, can easy set columns box. Formwork, made from wood or metal, is assembled to provide a temporary mold for the column. This mold ensures that the concrete poured into it takes the desired shape. Construction workers pouring concrete mixture into the formwork.
Once the concrete has cured sufficiently, the formwork can be removed. Careful dismantling ensures the column's shape remains intact.
Finally, the completed column is inspected to ensure it meets quality standards and structural requirements. Any necessary finishing touches are applied to achieve the desired appearance. Once the concrete is cured sufficiently, the formwork can be removed. Careful dismantling ensures the column's shape remains intact. Welcome back to our construction site, where the column shaft has gone through the concrete curing process. Let's take a closer look at what happens next. With the column shaft now finished and ready for its intended purpose, the construction workers celebrate their achievement. They take pride in their craftsmanship and the milestone reached in the construction project.